Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank file named Budget EI so it's easy to find. Next, set up columns for date, category, description, amount, type, and balance. This structure tracks every line. Once done, enter your opening balance and one or two predictable rows, recurring income, and a fixed bill, so formulas have values. Make sure to freeze the header row and adjust column widths. This speeds data entry and prevents mistakes as you continue. You now implement the logic that makes the sheet useful. In the amount column, use SUM for totals and SUMIF to calculate category totals. Place a running balance formula that subtracts expenses and adds income so every row updates. Create a separate category sheet with organized labels and assign colors for quick scanning. Then apply data validation lists for category and type to prevent typos. This keeps SUMIF reliable. Once set, copy formulas down several hundred rows so new entries auto-calc and stay consistent. You finish by turning numbers into insight. Build a summary section with monthly totals, a savings rate percentage, and a pie or bar chart showing spending by category so you can spot trends fast. Then add conditional formatting rules to highlight overspending, negative balances, or unusually large transactions. This makes problems visible. Finally, back up the file and audit entries periodically for duplicates or miscategorized items. If calculations look off, check data validation and SUMIF ranges first, then correct the category or amount.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.